Hi, my name's Mike Morgan. I'm here today with my son, Evan Morgan, and we are third and fourth generation in the vinyl industry. My grandmother, my father, now myself and my son. And we were around the dinner table like most nights talking about vinyl. I mean, we don't talk about sports and entertainment and politics. We talk vinyl. And Evan started asking a lot of questions about a new bill in the state of California. And so I asked him, I said, why don't you write these down and we'll put it in a vlog for Enduratex. So here we are.
All right, Dad, tell me about AB 2998.
Assembly Bill 2998 is a California law that was passed in September of 2018. And it became effective this year, January 1st of 2020. And what it does, it prohibits the sale of new juvenile products, mattresses, and upholstered furniture in the state of California that has fire retardant additives that they consider are carcinogens. In our case, the additive is antimony oxide. Now, you can go online and read about the entire bill, and the CFFA has a focus article about it. One other thing of interest, it is one of the most restrictive articles in the United States.
So how are we, Enduratex, addressing this?
What we've done is first of all, we've took all of our commercial products that have a fire retardant additive, and we've moved them out of California to our Tennessee warehouse. In addition, we've taken all of our current commercial products and we've slowly over time have been taking the additive out as we deplete that inventory. And any new commercial products that we produce will not have fire retardant additive. In addition, we are labeling any of our products that have a fire retardant additive on the packaging.
So is this just for new furniture?
No, not at all, and that's very important. It's any upholstered furniture that is being restored or recovered will need to not have any of this additive in the state of California. And that trickles down to all of our small upholstery shops, and that's very important. It's not just for new furniture.
So tell me, Dad, why would the state do this?
Well, the state determined on their own that fire retardants weren't necessary for fire safety. So this is a California state decision.
So why would manufacturers and distributors outside of California be concerned about AB 2998? Because
the state of California is the most populated state in the country, and we have the largest economy in the country. So majority of manufactured furniture in the country is either in the Midwest or in the Southeast, but they're purchased and shipped to the state of California. In addition, when you get into the aftermarket, it's a global economy now. So we have distributors that are shipping products into California. They might be manufacturing something even on a very small level in other parts of the country, and that product could end up in California.
So will eliminating these additives hinder our ability to sell in commercial markets outside of California?
For the most part, no. The most common FR tests are California 117, BIFMA, and NFPA 260, and they will pass without any FR additives. However, open flame tests like IMO, which is for cruise ships, MVSS 302, which is transportation, automotive, bus, and RV, FAA FAR, which is aviation, and CID Federal, which is a government, all of those would require FR additives. So before purchasing material for a commercial setting, example, a casino, a hotel, restaurant, or an office, make sure to check with your state's fire marshal requirements for flammability in textiles. For instance, Boston still requires a full-scale burn test, which will require flame retardants in the material.
All right, well, Dad, thank you for having this conversation with me and answering all of my questions. And for the audience, thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Resources will be linked down below. And have a good day.
Thanks.